Dr. Smriti Walsin and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to share about a very simple therapy which is done in conditions like dark circles and weak eyesight. Now both these conditions are one of the most commonest problems seen among all age groups. Dark circles is caused due to fatigue, eye strain, oversleeping, lack of sleep because of allergies, old age and so on. And weak eyesight is also caused due to conditions like myopia, hypermetropia, lazy eye, eye strain and so on. So both these conditions can be treated with a simple therapy in Ayurveda called as Pindi. So Pindi means bolus. So we'll be preparing a bolus made of rice. So this is not just any rice, we use a specific kind of rice called as Navara or Shashtikashali. That is a rice which is grown within 60 days. So this rice has a lot of medicinal values and it is used in a variety of treatments and therapies in Ayurveda. So what we do is we take the rice and we cook it or boil it with different other medicinal herbs. Along with it, there's another main ingredient that is milk. So we'll be using medicated milk. That is, the milk is boiled with different other medicinal herbs. So once the milk is boiled and cooked, and once rice is also cooked, what we do is we take the rice, we make it into the form of a bolus using a kora cloth, and we take the cloth and we dip it in this medicated milk which is in lukewarm state. And what we do is we start fermenting the eye. So the fermentation procedure will be done for around 15 to 20 minutes. So due to this procedure and due to the ingredients used, what happens is it starts improving the circulation around the eye and it helps to treat conditions like dark circles and weak eyesight. So I'll be showing you the procedure in this video, but before watching my video, please don't forget to subscribe. In my videos, I'm going to share in many such interesting videos on how leech therapy is done, how powder massage is done, and how, as I've shown you all, how bricks can be used in treating pain in the heels. So many interesting facts which no one must have seen or heard. Not only that, I'll be also teaching you all how simple home remedies can be prepared at home, which can be popped in conditions where you require it. And not only that, I'm also going to show you all certain pharmaceutical preparations in Ayurveda which is done, wherein we use medicines like mercury, sulfur, copper, iron, lead and so on. And it's very interesting to see such procedures wherein how we convert it into the form of a medicine. So I'm going to share in many such interesting facts. But before watching my videos, please do support by liking, sharing and subscribing. Thank you. Let's get on to the procedure. I've taken a cooker. To this I've added Shashtikashali. Water is added. Now I'll be adding milk. To this I'll be adding some medicated powders which is having ingredients like Haritaki, Vibhitaki, Amlaki and so on. Now we'll allow the rice to cook. So minimum 3 to 4 whistles has to be given to cook the rice. This is how the rice looks like once it's cooked. Now we have to prepare 2 pindis, that is 2 kiris, for which I have taken 2 kora cloths, and to this I am going to add the rice which we have prepared. As you can see, I am preparing the kiris, so I am making sure that it is tied tightly so that it doesn't open up while doing the treatment. Similarly, I have to make the other kiri also ready. Yep, so both my kiris are ready. Medicated milk has to be prepared. So to this milk, I am going to add different herbal medicines. So I have added a powder which has contents such as Haritaki, Vibhitaki, Amlaki, Nirgundi and so on. So now I am going to boil the milk. The room is set. So this is my patient who is suffering with dark circles and myopia. So over here what we do is we take the kiris, we dip it in milk which is neither too hot nor too cold. And now fermentation will be done around the eyes. There's a systematic method which is adopted for doing this procedure. Once the kiri or pindi gets cold, the therapist makes sure that she dips it again in the lukewarm milk and foments the area around the eyes. So care has to be taken that the pindi or kiris is neither too hot nor too cold, and too much of pressure is also not given over the eyes. Pressure is given over the kiri, that is over the bolus, so that the rice which is present within the bolus, it starts coming out of the cloth. So as you can see very closely that there is some whitish colored fluid which is present at the corner of her eye, which is very thick. That is nothing but the rice which has come out from the cloth. So this is how the treatment is done. So coming to the benefits of doing this treatment, due to continuous fomentation and due to heat applied over the eyes, it helps in improving the circulation, and also because of the ingredients which is used in the medicine, it helps in strengthening the muscles around the eyes, and also it helps in nourishing as well as rejuvenating the eyes. The beauty of this therapy is that it can be done for all age groups, especially for people who are suffering with dark circles and weak eyesight. So weak eyesight basically means for people who are suffering with myopia, hypermetropia, lazy eye and so on. That is basically for those who are wearing spectacles. For them, we have seen that this treatment really works wonders. There's another amazing benefit of doing this treatment, that is it can be done all over the face as well. So it helps in improving the complexion of the skin, and it's also used as a treatment modality in conditions like nervine disorders and so on. We do it even all over the body. So the name of the treatment goes as Shashtika Shali Pinda Sweda, in which we use different other drugs like Balamula, Dashamula and so on, depending upon the condition of the patient. And the part which is affected, we do the kiri over the affected part. Once the treatment is done, we just boil water, we dip a cotton and we clean the face. So for cleaning the face, lukewarm water is essential. So it's done. I hope you guys liked my video, and if you liked my video, please do subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button and hit the bell icon for more notifications. For those who haven't watched my previous videos, please do have a look. Thanks for watching.